What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. I think this is going to end up being like a little vlog style video for what we're doing today. We're about to leave here in the next 5 minutes or so to go sample wedding cakes. So usually you go to bakeries and they'll have like a bunch of different slices and you taste and you decide which one you like the best, but because of COVID they're doing to-go boxes. So we ordered ours online a couple days ago and we're driving to go pick it up. I think it is 8 different flavors, so we have 8 slices and we're gonna taste test them on video for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited. I know I am. I'm not even like the biggest cake fan, but I mean, I'll eat it, let's be real. So, let's go. So it's the next day. We had to drive an hour there to pick up the cake and then obviously an hour back, and we got so busy yesterday that before you know it, it was late. We were eating dinner, we were exhausted, we fell asleep. So we still have the cake. We didn't eat it because I wanted to get it on video. So I'm gonna go out to the garage, get the box, and we're gonna come in here and do a little taste test. Oh my God, you guys, this bag has been through it and I don't even know how.
What bag?
This Ettore's bag. Well, the box is a little messed up, but that's okay. So this is what the tasting box looks like, and we'll go over the flavors and stuff in a minute. I have to actually pull up the little contract that we signed, but they look so freaking good. You excited?
I'm drilling.
You think?
Yeah.
Or do you think it'll get everywhere?
I don't think it'll get everywhere. You're making more of an issue right now. Look how aggressive you're cutting this thing.
Alright.
Jeez Louise.
I'm gonna just cut.
Yeah, just be careful because you're being real aggressive. Careful.
Okay.
Here.
Why don't we go with what we know? Ow! So we went to a bakery in Sacramento called Ettore's, just so you know. This is where we got our little to-go sampling platter. And this is our first slice that we're gonna taste. This is called spiced carrot. It comes with the cutest little carrot on top. And it's like leaning. Let me read to you what that one says. It says, a smooth mixture of rich spices balanced by the cool sweetness of fresh pineapple.
Ooh.
And filled with a rich cream cheese filling.
Ooh. I think you might love
You
this.
ready?
You don't say
The pineapple kind of threw me off a little bit.
That's what I'm all about. It's gonna lean, I think. Lean with it, rock with it, you know? How are you doing that? Yeah.
You just slice right on in.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we have to try it at the same time.
Oh, okay. You went all the way down?
Mm-hmm. Got to.
Oh, that's a big bottom. My jaw can't unhinge that big.
Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Boop. We're gonna have to cut out.
I chew so loud, I know.
Cut out some of that noise.
Oh, my jaw popping.
I love that.
It tastes like carrot cake.
But I love carrot cake. Bomb. Okay, what's the next one that we know for a fact?
I don't know any of these for a fact.
Red velvet.
I'd like to get these chocolate ones out of the way, but careful.
I like these little things.
Yeah, it makes it a hell of a lot easier.
All right, the next one is red velvet. And is that like a little rose petal? Yep. It says 4 layers of rich and moist red sponge layer. Wait. It says 4 layers of a rich and moist red sponge layered with a mixture. No. Why can't I read that?
You want me to read it? 4 layers of rich and moist red sponge layered with a mixed buttercream. Cream cheese frosting.
I see 3 layers, but this could be because it's a sampling. They're not doing all the layers.
Are you sure that's the right one then?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of them have 3 layers.
Cool.
Oh, that one has 2. Okay, this is it. Red velvet. Holla.
Some of that shenanigans off.
This is fun.
I'm just trying to bite this. Are we choosing again? Every single one?
Uh-huh.
That frosting or whatever is bomb.
It's so good.
I mean, I don't really like the red velvet part, but the frosting, fire.
That's so good.
It's super buttery. And
What was that frosting
and
you
like,
used? Buttercream?
And really sweet. Oh yeah, buttercream. Mixed with buttercream and cream cheese frosting, so it's a little blend of the two.
You guys, it's so good. I don't really like that we're off kilter here.
What do you want me to do?
Scoot my way.
Oh, well, your knees stick everywhere.
Ettore bakery. Let's do the chocolate, boys. So there's 2 chocolates.
Looks like there's 3.
Where's
Okay,
the third one? Oh,
careful.
I'm being as careful as I can be, honey.
No, you can be more careful. Want me to do it? Delectable layers of rich chocolate cake touched with a bit of rum and filled with a creamy Belgian chocolate mousse. I don't know what that is.
If I had
Kahlua.
If I had any suggestions, it would be to put little flags with the names of the cakes on here so we don't have to try to figure it out.
Maybe they think that people who buy cake aren't idiots and know better and know what they're getting into.
I'm not a cake connoisseur. So there's a truffle one. Lush layers of our moist sour cream chocolate
Cute.
Bro.
I'll read it. Lush. Are you done? Truffle. Lush layers of our moist sour cream chocolate cake filled with our sinfully rich chocolate ganache.
Okay, so that sounds to me like all chocolate.
That's how you read.
Yeah, I don't know what my deal is today. I'm over it. Words and I are not friends.
Golly.
Okay, I mean, in all actuality here, we don't know if this is truly the truffle one, but we're guessing because that is a truffle, right?
I don't know. That's what I thought it was.
Oh, this one's hard as a rock. We just got these out of the fridge, by the way. Shoot.
Oh, I can already tell I hate this one.
It's really crumbly. This one's a no-go for wedding day. Okay, well, it keeps falling apart.
Just here.
I did that.
Damn it. Here, let me
Y'all, this is not...
Just go like that. Just
Okay.
throw some fingers in there.
Okay, hang on, wait for
I'm not
me.
going to cheers you there. I might lose this boy.
I know, wait for me.
I don't really have a choice. Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
No.
It almost tastes like thin layers of cake with like just full-on chocolate bars in the middle.
Yeah.
Like hard chocolate bars. I'm not the biggest fan of that one, if I'm being honest.
No, it's horrible.
Okay, I wouldn't go that far.
I think it's horrible.
This one's next.
Okay.
I think this is just regular chocolate. Well, it's like, come on.
Hang on. So you think that one is chocolate mousse?
Yeah, because it's moussey.
Okay, hang on. Delectable layers of our rich chocolate cake touched with a bit of rum and filled with a creamy Belgian chocolate mousse.
You did a really good job reading that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see this is soft and it's sticking together.
Did you get a bite there?
Oh, I didn't show the up close.
Yeah, you haven't done it with that one either. Careful.
That's the chocolate. Chocolate mousse. Cheers.
One's better.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like this. I don't think I'm gonna like the sprinkles part. I don't like sprinkles on cake. Just get out of here, you know?
I'm not really the biggest fan of chocolate cake, but that's actually not bad.
That one's better. It's not as like. Do you think this was the best thing to wear?
Probably not.
All right, which one? You want to get this one out of the way?
Yeah, that one.
Probably
That's the Kahlua.
So Kahlua. Want me to read it while you get it up close? Alternating layers. Oh, I'll wait for you.
No, go.
Oh. Kahlua. Alternating layers of chocolate and vanilla sponge cake. A rich mocha mousse and finished with a thin layer of apricot preserves. Wow. You didn't see that happening?
Where's the apricot preserves?
I think that's the thin layer of apricot preserves.
Why is it brown?
Because it's apricot. Or, careful, you are aggressive.
You gotta be. You just gotta get in there and go for it.
If I did that?
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm literally waiting on you.
The apricot preserve part kind of freaks me out.
I think it might be that little part right there. That's a huge. hang on. I've messed up real bad.
Yeah, you did.
Well, it's like, I was, you know. I'm so annoyed.
Ain't for me, dog.
That might be my, so this truffle one's my least favorite so far.
That's second least.
Second least.
I'm glad we have the same taste.
I don't know why, I just don't. It's really spongy, which is what people want in cake, right?
I'm not a fan of the Kahlua flavor, I don't think.
Oh, I love Kahlua. But that's not what, it's just.
Get out of here. Oh, I think this is Fruit Basket.
Okay.
Fruit Basket, let's see if I can frickin' read. It says, scrumptious layers of Tahitian vanilla sponge cake filled with alternating layers of fresh strawberries and sweet pineapple atop our smooth white mousse. I did a pretty good job reading that.
Watch your sleeves there, pal. Yeah, you did better than before. Good job at reading words.
Oh, this is Fruit Basket. Oh yeah, there's so much fruit right there.
We got a fruit basket right here, you know? Or basket case. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, I didn't know what you were talking about, but I just laughed.
Basket case was what I was trying to think of instead.
Oh my god, it's so fruity.
I don't want
This is not really what I would want for like a wedding cake.
Nah.
Cheers
So
to that. It's good, but...
Oh, wow. I love that. But like, whatever that layer, I don't like that
pineapple.
second layer. Yeah, pineapple.
Woo!
That one's fire. I love that one. That's so good.
I know, that's really good. You can have the rest of it.
Right now?
No, we have to
I know, I'm joking.
finish. Silly goose.
Oh, careful.
Remember that time you said, if you call me a silly goose one more fucking time?
Makes no sense.
Strawberry champagne or strawberry white chocolate mousse. Uh-oh.
This is probably the mousse because that looks kind of moussey.
No. Oh. No. I think you get one or the other.
Wait, there's 3, 6. There's 8 here though.
I know.
Oh.
But there's 9 here.
So what's the other one then? Oh, there's 9 there.
Truffle.
We got that.
No, wait, we got that. Or...
I'll let you figure this out.
This is strawberry champagne. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I don't know what.
So this one is strawberry champagne. It's a delightfully airy strawberry champagne sponge cake filled with a creamy white chocolate mousse and fresh strawberries. Yeah, that's this one because there's fresh strawberries in it. Cheers.
Oh, I like this one better. This fruit one. What is it called? Fruit basket? Yeah.
Fruit basket's bomb.
No, it's not bad.
I'll take
It's just like
full fruit basket to go.
it's nothing special, you know. I almost like that carrot cake one better than that one, and I don't even like carrot cake. No, you don't.
Okay, this next one is
because look at this one's got like weird stuff on the back of it. It's like
that's powdered sugar.
okay, I don't know. I'm not a
See, I
baker.
see the raspberry. I think that's.
Princess Tort.
Yeah, this is Princess Tort. A lovely and light Tahitian vanilla sponge cake filled with 3 thin layers of raspberry preserves and a creamy white mousse.
For sure, the tort.
That's for sure Tort. Let me give you guys a close-up.
Torte.
Torte. Princess Tort. Damn, that's hella layers.
Yeah, they layered up.
Holy.
I don't know how it's gonna work.
I did it.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it.
I thought that was gonna be like a hard layer.
So did I.
You did it. Look at you.
Well, not
Now
yet.
scoop.
There we go.
Boom.
Yeah, with my jaw like.
Boom.
Roll tooth. Something hard in there.
They used almond extract in that one. Ain't a fan.
Is that what like makes you go like this? Yeah, I don't like that. Sorry.
Which one was your favorite?
Fruit basket.
Oh my god, there's something on me.
Well, yeah, because your sleeves go down to here, so you're knocking into things.
I would say my favorite is between the spiced carrot, and the fruit basket.
Oh, we're making 2.
I feel like for wedding cake, I would want the fruit basket.
I wouldn't. That's so messy. Because like, look at it. It can't
Well,
even.
which one would you want for wedding cake?
Like
If
as
you
far
had
as
to pick one of these.
I feel like it would have to be like a blend of. It'd probably be that one. So
A blend. He's making up his own cake now.
It would have to be this one. This one looks and holds up the best. Because you have to figure, it's not gonna like it's not gonna be like fresh from the baker. Here you go. It's gonna be sitting somewhere for a little bit. You know what I mean? So that one's gonna look the best, cut the best, and hold up the best.
But
you don't have to put the strawberry on the top. This one tastes the best, but
I don't want like a dark cake.
no,
that's why I would
chocolate.
never choose this.
None of these would be chocolate. It's not dark though.
I'll put up some inspiration pictures right here of what I'm kind of looking at for a wedding cake. We're doing, the venue we have is already providing desserts for everybody else, so we just want like a small cake for us. He thinks he's gonna cake me in the face.
I'll do it right now.
No. So we just want,
went,
I want a naked cake so bad.
So not a layered cake then.
Yeah, it has to be layered.
But not like.
But like a light color, I mean. Fruit basket.
Because all the what'd you call inspo pics you showed me were like thick round ones, so that they have that.
But it's layered.
nakedness.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like two like thick boys layered, not these little thin layers.
Not, but you can do a bunch of thin layers if you want. Anyway, this was fun.
I mean, this is my favorite. Let me get back in here.
Ooh, that's good.
The mousse. Just give me the strawberry in it.
Alright, well that was it for our little cake tasting. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Any future, I think I'm going to film a different video with like different like wedding updates and stuff. And yeah, I think that's it.
I just want a nothing but cake.
I know, I feel like that would be better. Like a confetti one. They're not called funfetti, they're called confetti there. Anyway.
Maybe I just got like cheap taste buds when it comes to like cake. Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Before we go, we have a question for those of you who have used Honey Fund. I'm kind of like trying to set up our wedding website, and when it asked for like registries, I was gonna put that. But for those of you who have used it, how does it work? If we list like hotel, airfare, and all that, people I know can contribute to those, but in the end, does it just go into one pot and we get the cash? Or how does it work?
Your concern is, or your thought is, I think, and her concern is, if somebody buys like a, like let's say $50 towards a Delta airline, your concern is that it's just going to send us a $50 Delta gift card.
Correct.
Instead of like that $50 going towards a lump sum that we can just transfer to a bank account altogether, minus their fee, right?
Correct.
Okay, so I guess that's the question then.
Yeah,
Something like
because what if people like pay towards the airfare, like say Delta, but like we're taking another airline, or like, I think Honey Fund, how it works is you pick like what you're gonna do on your honeymoon and people can contribute to it, but in the end it's really just going into one pot that you can transfer to your bank account to use. Because like I said, what if you plan on going scuba diving and people like buy say $100 worth of scuba diving, but we don't end up going scuba diving? That's why I feel like it has to be the cash. Are you enjoying that cake? Okay, let us know down below. That is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Peace.